Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to make a cot by using Revit families and Revit architectural software. So for that open Revit architecture. See here already I opened. In that go to select the file option. Here you can go new, then families. In that see here we have a option in metric furniture. Here we have select then open. So I use feet and fractional, so that is what okay. So after that go to create. In that reference plane select the pick a plane options, and then here I'm going to use 7 feet width and length of 5 feet. Okay, so here 7 feet means from here to top 4.5 feet, see, and then bottom. See, this side I'm going to use 6 feet or 5 feet, so that is what 2 feet 6 inches for that of 2 feet 6 inches. Enter, and then this side. After that go to create option. See here we have a extrusion. Select and then select the rectangular plane from here to here. Then go to finish. After that go to the 3D view. See, select this. I'm going to extrusion and reduce to like 4 inches. I'm going here 4 inches, apply. Okay, so now we need to create back and front portions of the cart. So for that again go to create option. See here observing this cart. See, this is like a panel. Okay, first I'm going to create this one. Go to Revit software, extrusion, set a work plane, pick a plane. Okay, this is our plane. Then go to front view. Here you can make from here to here 1 feet 6 inches. Enter. After that I can extend it here. So here also we need a little bit height, 6 inches I'm using there, so that is your convenient. Then you can connect like this. Okay, after that we can go to check that. See here we have some little bit cut portions, so that's what I'm going here. Select line or else offset. I just delete this portion. Line from here to 6 inches gap I'm going to use 6 inches. Enter. After that this is also 6 inches. Then from here to here 6 inches. Then this is also 6 inches. After that I just connect this portion, then give finish. See, little bit you can rotate. Go to, that is 2 inches is enough for me, so 2 inches. Apply. See, back panel is ready. In that they are doing some designs. See here. See, in that corners have some designs, so that's what I'm going to Revit. Here I'm going to select create sweep option. In that we have two method. One is pick path. Select the parts. After that give finish. Then go to sweep. Select profile, edit profile. Here I'm going to make some designs like simple. Then give once again finish. See here, I think you got it, that informations. One more thing, they are designed in this inside panel. See here, they are doing here also design, right? So for that I'm going to select create extrusion, set a work plane, pick a plane. Okay, this is our plane. After that, go to front view. Here you can design whatever. For me, I need so like this. Finish. After that, go back, click somewhere, drag this is towards outside. Okay, select this, go to front view. We need one more this side, so that is what draw mirror axis. I draw it here. See, it's created over here also. Here also we need some designs, so I'm selecting this one. Go to edit extrusion options, arc, select this, draw mirror axis from here to towards down, and then select the line from here to here. After that, select this particular portion, little bit I'm going to fit at the center, then you just give the finish. So go back, see here our model is ready. Then I'll show you in realistic view. See, now it's appear like this. Okay, see, and one more thing, we need back portions also. Okay, so that's also I'm going to create now. Turn back, go to create extrusion, set a work plane, pick a plane. Okay, this is our plane. Go to the front view. Here you can make your required design from here to here. After that, here I need some arch shape, so that's what I'll go like this. Just select and delete this portion, then give a finish. You turn it back. Extrusion end will be 2 inches is enough, just like support that, so that's why 2 inches is enough. Then apply. See, so after that, here you need some designs, means create extrusion, set a work plane, pick a plane. Okay, this is our plane. Here I just go to make one simple design. Go to the front view. Here you can make your required designs. So same thing I'm going to draw here for simple arch shape. After that, select this one, draw mirror axis. I just mirror it this side. Trim corner, this one and this one. I think this and so finish. Turn it this, select as usual like 1 inches, apply. See, it's created. And then you need like a little bit some stand here, means extrusion, set a work plane, pick a plane. Okay, same thing I'm going to select this plane. I select this one from here to here and from here to here, then give finish. Select this, then select this one, go to mirror, draw axis. You just draw here, it is mirrored. So that's it. I think you got it, the information. So now we need to apply the materials for this. Go to PT or else create new material option. Manage. In that material, manage materials, right click, create new material, rename that name as 1. Then go to appearance box, click here you can go for woods, then enter. Here you can change your required colors. Woods that we have different colors. I just select this one. Then apply. Okay, after that go to PT. See, here we have one. Then apply this, each and everything. So that's it. This is a procedure to make the card. After that, go to file, save as, family. Here I'm going to use desktop, COT, desktop, then save, then load into project. See, here I'm going to place here, then press escape, go to 3D view. See here. See, I think you got it, the information how to create the card in show in realistic view once. So that's it. This is the procedure to make the cards in Revit families and Revit architecture. Thank you for watching the session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.